Right, ready?
Get down.
Yep. Hello, welcome to Narrowboat Chef. Today we are sanding that end of the bedroom.
That sounds like the start to one of our cooking videos.
Well, I'm sorry. We're the same people in both videos. So.
We're starting on the bedroom, as we're probably going to work like our way down the boat.
Yeah.
Kitchen will probably be the last thing that we do, probably because that's going to take the most work. Anyway, starting with the bedroom, and I am going to go and clear everything out of that area so that it's all clear and that we can start sanding. Ryan's going to help me with that, but he's also going to start lunch because it is lunchtime.
Yes, and she makes me do all the cookings like a kitchen slave.
And then after lunch, we're going to start sanding.
Yep.
Fun!
Fun!
Yay!
Yay!
Can you see how excited we are about this? I'm really not looking forward to sanding.
No, it's not the most interesting job. Painting would be
so much
fun.
of it.
Painting would be fun, but
I'm looking forward to the painting.
It's the preparing.
Yeah. Let's get preparing.
Let's get preparing.
So we've moved everything out of that area, and I've already filled most of the holes that needed filling. So now I'm going to cover the bed in plastic so that it doesn't get too dusty, but we are going to take the sheet off after I'm finished and replace it with a new one so we can sleep on some clean sheets. But first things first, I need to scrape some old glue off from where the cupboards were kind of glued to the wall, and then I need to start sanding. Alright.
How you going, cutie pie? You struggling with the nail?
I need help. I've got one here that can't get out, and I'm trying this one. Oh, I got this one.
Ah, where's the other one?
The part of it snapped off.
Alright, can I go now?
You can go now. Ryan?
Yes?
I might need your help again.
Oh, what is it this time?
I can't spread the plastic at the bottom of the bed. Okay, I gotta start making noise. think I need more water.
Alright, so the rate's gonna be tripled.
What rate?
You know what rate we need.
You want me to pay for the water?
The kissy rate.
The kissy rate.
You owe me lots of kisses.
Kisses for water. I think I could probably manage kisses for water.
Basic rate was about 100 kisses per sip. Doing some scraping.
Well, my next job is to sand the roof. So I have to take stuff off the roof first.
Yeah, there's little Velcro strips and that everywhere.
Yeah.
Well, not everywhere, in a few places.
But I've done the walls up to the windows. And we've decided we're going to do half of the bedroom and then finish the other half of the bedroom, because that's going to be the easiest way to
Because
do
obviously we can't remove the bed all the way.
The bed has to stay here. So we're going to do this side, push the bed up, and then do that side. Anyway, that's what I'm doing today.
Alright, cool.
We finished the sanding. No, it wasn't yesterday, it was the day before, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Took a break because my arms were really sore. It's a lot of effort to sand the roof, especially.
Yeah.
But the roof is sanded, the walls are sanded, the front bit is sanded. It's all sanded. Well, half of the bedroom up to the windows.
Yeah, we're going to do the bedroom in like up the front half and then back half of the bedroom.
Yeah. Let's start preparing to paint. So we're going to wash the walls.
Yep, and then we're going to tape around the places we don't want paint to get on.
Yeah, once the walls are dry, obviously.
Yeah, obviously.
We're just going to quickly wash them down so that the dust... There is no dust.
Yeah.
And then tape, and then we're going to
do the two coats of undercoat?
Two undercoats, yeah, 2 layers of undercoat, because we've got plenty of undercoat, so...
And then 1 or 2
That'll be
coats.
today's. That'll be today's.
Today will be the undercoat, and then
probably tomorrow we'll do
the final coat.
Top coat. However many layers we just have to do that.
Depends on how well it covers.
Yeah, so let's get started.
Let's get started.
Yay! I'm excited for the painting.
We should paint little patterns on the wall, like put smiley faces and stuff, and then paint over it. What?
Let's start with the roof first.
Sounds like a plan.
Work our way down.
Yep. You missed a spot. You missed a lot of spots, you only just started.
Make sure you get all in the corners, Ryan.
I'm trying. Don't forget all the corners.
I couldn't fill that hole.
Well,
that one goes
it's just
all
too
the way
big.
through.
Yeah.
Too big to fill. So we came up with the ingenious idea.
Or strategically placed artwork.
Yeah, artwork, and we'll
Or
cover it up
photos or something,
with something.
Yeah.
Because it's just too big to fill. Not the attention, Pixel.
Yeah, she hadn't had much attention
No.
this morning with us wiping the walls. Hello.
You're so cute. The walls have now been washed, and we'll just have to leave them to dry thoroughly. So we are going to take the curtains down, and then go and have some lunch and a bit of a break, even though we haven't really done that much yet.
No.
But yeah, we have to let them dry, so there's not much else we can do except let them dry.
Yeah.
And it's a fairly warm day today, so it shouldn't take too long.
Nice.
So, what are we having for lunch?
I don't know, I keep changing my mind. Probably veggie burgers or something. Or pickles. We'll have pickles.
We'll have pickles. Pickles for lunch.
Nope.
Nope.
No.
But pickles, I bet you're yummy.
There we go. Oh, the light! What you doing?
Taping.
So we don't get paint everywhere.
So we don't get paint on the pasta, we don't want paint.
Nice.
Because we're leaving all the trims.
All the trims, nice wood.
Yeah. We think that'll look good.
Well, we hope it looks good.
Well, that's, yeah. If not, it's not the end of the world. We can always paint them.
Yeah. Paint them blue.
Blue, sort of like blue and white.
Yeah.
Like really nautical kind of.
It'll look kind of Greek too, wouldn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah, we kind of have a Greek feel.
Yeah. I got
one of my old shirts on.
like a painting smock.
Smock. It's one of my old work shirts.
We had it in the pile to take to the
get rid of giveaway pile.
the second-hand stores, and then I realised, well, I don't really have any shirts, so
Suitable for marking with paint.
Yeah, it's for painting.
Almost done with the taping. Gotta tape them all up. Don't want paint in the sockets and the switches.
No, we don't. It's like a nice little puzzle.
So we can start painting now.
Oh wait, I forgot the lights.
See? I knew it.
What do you mean you knew it?
I said like, as soon as we finish, we'll miss a piece or something and then realise it after we finish. Oh well, let's tape it up.
Yeah.
And now, are we actually finished?
Really?
That'll be enough?
Now we're ready to paint.
Yay! Mix that paint, Maggie. Mix it.
Now that we've got it open, because we couldn't figure out how to open it.
Maggie couldn't figure out how to open it.
It didn't. Those little things did not look like the opening place, right?
When was the last time we had used any paint? It was in the old metal tins.
Yeah.
This is all newfangled plastic. I thought, let's go get my whisk. I'll stir it up.
Probably not a good idea.
I kind of forgot it's paint. Maybe just get an angle so we can see everything go wrong.
Thanks, Ryan. Love the confidence.
There's confidence, but you know, you just kind of want something to happen.
Alright. Don't jinx me, Ryan.
It's gonna come.
Ryan!
He's blocking the camera.
That's so you can't see anything go wrong.
Yeah. So far, it's a success. Yay! Get back on tight.
Yes.
You already got paint on yourself.
Already got paint on myself. I'm sure there's going to be plenty more by the time we're finished. There we go.
Choose your weapon. Why are you getting all the way over here for? Think you want to start at that end of the roof?
Yeah.
So thick.
Alright, let's start from over here. Don't be like that, right? Don't be like that. It's not that bad. I'm doing fine.
You're doing great. It's just like we're irreversibly altering it.
Yeah. Now we've done this, that's it. We've got to keep going.
You're like, you can procrastinate all you want, but as soon as you put that first bit of paint down, boom, that's it. It's all over. You have to keep going.
Yeah. Right.
Lift.
That'll be the first coat done.
Yep.
We finished the first coat and it has been left to dry for probably about 2 hours now. So we are going to start on the second coat of undercoat. And that should take us not as long as the first coat took us, because we kind of know what we're doing now. It's looking so much better already though, so much brighter in here. I'm really looking forward to seeing it when it's finished. Are you looking forward to it too? Is that what that was? Are you looking forward to when the bedroom's finished as well, are you, Pixel? Yeah?
How are we going with the second coat, Maggie?
Well, roof's done, except for that side panel. And the front parts are done.
Yep.
Now I just got to do the walls.
So
Ryan's done all the edging.
Fix them all up. So we just got to finish this coat. This is the last coat we're putting on today. And then tomorrow we'll put the actual coloured paint on.
Coloured.
Well, it's technically an off-white colour.
Well, yeah. Slightly cream colour.
Doing a good job.
I've kind of gotten into like the rhythm of it, and I kind of know a bit more what I'm doing now.
Yeah. We washed out the other two rolls we used earlier, but they're not dry yet.
No.
So we were left with the one backup roller. So it's going a little bit slower now. Not too slow.
Somehow managed to get myself very...
This coverage is very patchy, Maggie. Very patchy. You'll have to fill it out, you know. That second coat is all important on that one.
Just turn around, camera in my face.
That's how life is, isn't it?
Well, yeah, generally.
You're usually doing it to me. I turn around and camera in my face.
I don't mind.
Is that what they call FaceTime?
FaceTime.
Almost finished, Maggie.
Almost finished.
Well, almost finished the second coat. We've got to come back and put the actual paint on.
Yeah. But this is the last little bit of the second coat.
Of undercoat.
Putting on the two base coats has definitely lightened this room up a lot. What time did we wake up this morning, Ryan?
6 o'clock-ish?
We are not early risers at all. We generally struggle to get out of bed before 8 o'clock, and only then because Pixel gets us up to go out. but it was so like, we still had the curtains on and everything, but it was still so much light was getting in and just being reflected off the white walls.
We just weren't used to it, like that much light.
We weren't used to that much light in the bedroom, and even just like filming this, you can really see it already. The difference between some of our other shots and this shot is just so different. So today we are doing the 2 coats, 1 to 2 coats of top coat, the colour that the paint is actually going to be, the walls are actually going to be. We're not sure whether it'll be 1 or 2 coats just yet. Probably it'll end up being 2, just because the walls are so dark. Yeah. But we did put 2 coats of the undercoat on.
I almost said underlay then too.
Of the undercoat, because the walls are just so dark and it did bleed through quite a lot. So we thought, just to be safe, we'll put the 2 coats of the white undercoat on. Yep. And now we're going to do the first coat of the actual colour.
The jasmine white.
Yes, we've gone for jasmine white, which is a kind of very slight creamy white.
Off-white, yeah, an off-white.
Yeah, got a slight cream tinge to it, so it should be nice. Yeah. Let's get started. I don't see any change in colour, Ryan. Are you actually painting anything?
How do the viewers know? Maybe we're just pretending to paint. Maybe this is just thickened cream.
Why would we be putting thickened cream on our wall?
I don't know. Why did anybody do anything, Maggie?
Usually there is a purpose.
Usually.
I have to paint so much slower with this paint.
Yeah.
Because it speckles, like it goes everywhere so easily.
Yeah, it just kind of goes everywhere a little bit.
Yeah, the undercoat didn't really do that. Today we are doing the very last coat. We were going to do it yesterday, but it didn't happen. No. So we've already put 1 coat of the top coat on, and now it just needs that 1 last coat just to make it all
perfect.
Yeah, perfect. So it should look good once it's done, but it's definitely brightened it up.
Yeah, yeah. No, I deal with your stuff today.
Oh, I see.
Your attitude.
Oh, my attitude. You got an attitude.
My attitude is a weird attitude. Super stuck.
Last step is to take all the tape off. How's it look?
It's looking pretty good.
Careful of your hair, it might
touch
the other wall. Yeah, it's done alright. Look at that line. Beautiful.
Kind of satisfying, isn't it?
It is satisfying.
It's like when you buy a new phone or a tablet and they've got that piece of protective plastic and peeling that off.
There we go.
Nice.
I'm excited to see it with all the wood bits.
Yeah.
Revealed.
See the contrast.
Yeah. Let's see how it turns out. There we go. Yeah, that looks really good.
Satisfied with the results?
Yeah, I think it looks really good. I'm excited to get all the rest of the tape off now.
Cool.
You could probably tell that we haven't really done in the section above those hanging cupboards because A, it's really difficult to get in there unless we take the cupboards down, and B, it's kind of just empty space that gathers dust. So we have actually decided that we are going to fill it in with just some of our offcuts of wood, and then we're going to paint the whole thing. So that'll be another job for another day. But there'll also be, we're going to connect it up near the door end with another shelf, just so they don't look like they're just floating by themselves. And it'll all be painted, but just not today. We've painted half of the bedroom now. It is finally completed. We've done the 2 undercoats of primer undercoat, and then 2 coats of our top coat, and it is looking really good. We're really pleased with it now.
Yeah, it turned out really well.
So now we just have to do this half that you can't see. That's the next job, but that will be after we put everything back
and push everything
towards the doors.
Yeah, so it's easy to access, because getting out of the bed was quite difficult.
Yeah, but hopefully that's like the most difficult part of the process done now.
Yeah, the rest of the boat shouldn't be this difficult.
No.
No.
So I hope you've enjoyed watching us start painting our bedroom.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.